How to download Teams recording in SharePoint. This is my recording video. There is no any downloaded button in this web page. First, we need to find an accessible URL to do this. Now, open Browser Inspect menu. Then, move to the Network tab. Find Video Manifest address. If it's not available, just refresh your page. Now, select and copy this URL until it ends with format equals dash. Now, search FempEG in Google and download it mashing with your operating system. I'm using Windows, so follow this if you're using same. Download full version of it. Extract the file after downloading it. Now, rename folder as FempEG which was you extracted. Then copy this folder into the local disk C. Now go to the bin folder and copy its path. Now, we need to set it to the environment variables. Now open the terminal in the location where you want to download. Then type this command. Copy and paste the URL inside of the double quotes. Now it will start to download your video. It's download with full quality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.